Hello, my name is Dade Butler. I am the lead customer service agent with Page Optimizer Pro, and today we're going over how to edit inside of Weebly with the Chrome extension. First, we need to click to start, and then once we have clicked to start, we need to select either I am logged in or using the secret key, depending on how you're accessing the report. I'm logged in, so I will select I am logged in. After we have selected we are logged in, we then need to select the correct page run. Once you have selected your page run, you will then want to click to confirm if you are inside of the editor or inside of Google Documents. I'm within the editor, so I'm going to click to confirm and then click Start Now. After we click Start Now, it's then going to load the report and its information. We can see that I have a score of 6.11%, so my page needs some work. Let's get started first by editing our page title. We will go ahead and insert our main keyword, Incredibles. With our page title adjusted, let's click to check our optimization score. It sees the edits we have made. Scrolling up, we can see that our score has changed by about 23%. However, there's still changes that need to be done in order to increase my ranking odds. Let's begin by editing our subheadings. We've made the edit. Let's check our optimization score. It has seen the two terms we have added to our subheadings. Let's scroll up, and we can see that our score has increased to 44.13. We still got some work to do though. As we scroll down, we can see we haven't really optimized our main content quite yet. Let's go ahead and write some of that content. Let's say Latin is an incredible language that continues to survive the test of time. Every day we say things in Latin without even knowing. For example, we say audio, which is Latin. Some may strongly disagree. Here is how we can prove them wrong. We made our edits. Let's check our optimization score. It has seen the changes that we have made, counting things like daily, Latin, strongly disagree. So let's scroll up and see how our score has changed. We can see that now our score is 49.36. We still have updates to do, but now I'm prepared and understand how to make those updates on my page and how they are counted inside of POP. With that, you know everything you need to know in order to get started with Weebly and the Chrome extension. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and as always, happy optimizing.